Breaking crypto update, old Vincenzo's insight shakes the market. Join the XRP revolution with old Vincenzo, the #1 insider on YouTube and social media. Hit the bell notification, subscribe below, and show some love with a like. Become a YesC member for exclusive content and support the channel for just $2.99 a month. We're here to fleece heist and shyest the criminal gangsters and market manipulators. As of April 5th, 2024, the weather in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area is cloudy and dreary, with an early spring chill of 44 degrees. The queens are collapsing, but fear not, as Bitcoin stabilizes and XRP remains in flux. Stick with old Vincenzo for dynamite insights, inspirational education, and informative content. Peace and love, folks. Stay tuned for the latest updates and join the movement towards financial enlightenment. Peace and
Good fifth day of April 2024, if we can believe this already. Steadily marching our way through the early springtime on a 44-degree overcast. Scattered showers in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. Like we said, bell notification, comment down below to get that truth and integrity you've come to expect and deserve as the gold and silver bullion market, as we are gold and silver crypto investing. Gold crypto investing for a reason, because we invest in gold, and crypto and silver continues to skyrocket. We laid out why we think we're going to have a $35 silver price towards the end of the year, and why we think we could be hitting up a $45 or a $50 silver price. Watch that video from yesterday. It was educational, explosive, informational, best in the business, showing you why we think silver is going where we think it's going. Gold continues to press nearly another all-time high at $2,300, and we laid out why $2,500 is next. We've been talking about that for quite some time. B2 Gold, we're up another 4% today. Kinross Gold, we're up another 3.5%. Pan America Silver, 5%. AG, we're up another 3.5%. Fortuna Silver, we're up another 3.5%. And these are all companies that we own. And MTA, we're up 4% today. These are all companies we own. And between those companies, we have $20,150 invested in gold and silver mining stocks. And we believe they're going to continue to explode. This has been started our accumulation in the mining stocks in 2019, just before COVID happened. And then we wish we would have bought more prior to that, because that's when the mining stocks initially took off to the moon, then they crashed, and we've been just accumulating steadily on the crash. And we have slightly over $20,000 in total mining stocks, right, that we've invested. We've invested some in crypto too, and we can see the crypto today has started to turn down a little negative. The Bitcoin price, if we zoom out, this is going to be a quick update. I'm at the start, 5 days in, do a 20-day Rivian shutdown, so we're working 7 days a week. I get to the plant about 6:30 in the morning, and I leave about 7 to 9 o'clock at night. So they're 12 to 15-hour days. So these are just brief up, just to keep you out ahead of the market. You can see 66,355.92 is major underneath support, local underneath support that we broke down out of this rising channel with our little crosshairs over here. You can see our underneath support. 66,000 is our major underneath support. If we can continue to hold that, we can try to make another local top at our all-time high near 69 or near 73,366.64. If we break down to that, we come to the top part of this rising channel underneath major support of 61,175, as we do know that. Then if we slip that, we come into this rising channel, and this is from the double top in 2021-2022 bear market crash, then double top, and then bear market again at 58,015.24. If we break that, we come back to the lower part of this rising channel at $46,113.95, and that's what we're looking like there with the Bitcoin price. The XRP price, we can see, is the same thing. We're at the 57 cents, the bottom part of this blue trading zone. If we can hold that and bounce and get the buyers or the bulls to come in, we can make a pump up to, initially the moving average is at about 62 cents. And if we continue the bias momentum, the bullish momentum, and the enthusiasm, we can try to come back up to the top part of this blue trading zone at 69 cents. If we get rejected by that top part of that blue trading zone, or if we don't get there and can't get off this 57 cents at the bottom part of the blue trading box of support, we crash down to the bottom part of this rising channel like Bitcoin at 49 cents. And if we can't hold that 49 cents and the buyers can't fight off the sellers or the bears, we're going to fall back to that critical 37 cents. And if we scroll the coins, we can see AMP. It's been consolidating after a phenomenal run that it had. but now the consolidation is in, the profit taking is commenced. And if we zoom in to the one, that's all that, this doesn't ever, not curve, amp. You can see we have that big pump, and there is a potential that this could eventually get up to that 0.037 range, but we're on a consolidation right now, and we're at the moving average. And as long as you don't break these moving averages in the daily time frame, the 200-day, you're still bullish from this pump. As long as you don't slip the 200-day moving average in the daily time frame, you're still bullish, and you can still make a run up to here. If you break the 200-day moving average, you're more than likely going to come back down to 0.00297 cents, right? So that's what we're looking like there. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love.